So, till now, we have seen how to add a product and process an order. So, that means that this is all the configuration we have put on it. But the most important part is when people are looking at your website or searching, how they will be able to see your website. And while searching, will your website be visible on top? Hyper inventory has made it very easy for you, and you don't need any expertise or outside help in SEO to bring your website on top. There are two ways how a website comes on top in the search engine. One is the homepage SEO and the relevancy of that. So, if the customer is looking for something similar to your business, homepage SEO is something that helps you. Second is if they are looking at any kind of product, then at that time the SEO of the product is important. Now, let's look at where and how to set up the homepage SEO. So, for that, you need to click on this icon and then go to web stores. Then you click on configure store. Then, when you scroll down here, you will be able to see two things. One is the homepage SEO, second is the sitemaps. First, let's talk about sitemaps. Sitemap is something that holds the entire summary of your website, which is accessed by the search engine and mapped with their indexing. In hyperinventory, we have automated the sitemaps, so you don't need to worry about what's going to go there, how to generate it, is it going to update, and after it updates, what's going to happen. So let's click on sitemaps. So we automatically generate your sitemap once you publish your website. All the products that you are adding to this are automatically added to the sitemap. And when a scroller of Google or Bing or any search engine comes here, we provide this sitemap so they can index it. Also, whenever you are updating any information, we provide all the details like when it was updated to, so the customer can see what time it was updated. Now, let's go to homepage SEO. So, when you will keep updating the information, this is how your website will look like to the person who's searching your website on the search engine. So, to understand this, let's look at an example. Let's search Imaginext on Google. So, this is sponsored and it's coming through ads, but this is the first search result for Imaginext. This means that for this keyword, the first position is for this website. In this, you can see that this is the primary link for the website. Then, this is the title and the description of the website. Then, these are the links which are frequently accessed. The links, the favicon icon, the title, and the description are coming from the homepage SEO settings. So, when you go here, we suggest that you should put all the relevant and right keywords in all the four sections here. So, when a customer is searching, your website will be visible. Second thing is your purpose should not be to deceive a customer, because if you do that, then even if a customer comes to your website, they will leave. This will only increase advertising and the burden for your website. So put all the right information and filter out the wrong customers so that only the right customers are attracted to your website. So for the homepage title, I'm going to replicate Imaginext itself. So let's go to Imaginext here. Your brand name is extremely important. So, in title, you should include that. Along with that, you should also include one line that says what your brand is about. Example: Imaginext is an exclusive market for photography equipments. So, if someone searches for photography equipments, then Imaginext will show up on top of the screen. Here, you can also see that some of the keywords are repetitive, like photography. So, when people are looking and the search engine, when people search there, they can correlate. The homepage title here is when you go to the Imaginext page, and here you can see the title. But when you search and the site comes up, this is the homepage title and this is the meta title. Generally, we suggest that it is good to keep both of them the same. So let's copy the title and paste it here. Now, this is the meta description that comes here. So let's copy that too and Paste it here. So this is how your search result will look like when a customer is searching for your website. The meta description provides a little more detail to the customer. Don't think that you can just map any keyword. Try to include only those keywords that are very important for your business. There is also a keyword limit on this, so you should not include more than 20 to 25 keywords here. Keywords are the ones that are directly mapped to the customer's queries when they are searching for your brand or any product they are looking for. So, since this is a photography equipment marketplace, and here we sell these cameras, photography lighting, gimbals, etc., so let's use this only as keywords. So, for example, Godox is also a very important brand and it brings a lot of traffic. And this website itself sells Godox. So, it's very important to include Godox. So, once you have written the name here and you enter comma, the name automatically gets added, the keyword gets added here. Then submit. Once you do this, all of the information is automatically submitted to Google and you don't have to worry about it. This is a one time job and you don't have to do it every day or every month. So you need to make sure whatever you're putting here is relevant and correct. Now we have talked about homepage SEO. The tricky part is the product SEO. So let's go back to the dashboard here and go to the product section. And when you click here, this is the product overview. So when people are searching for your brand, the keywords would be similar. You have a lot of products, so the keywords for those products will keep evolving. So to manage SEO of the product, there is one section on the product details page here, which is the search engine optimization. Here you can come and put similar information. We have automated this entire SEO using AI and it's a completely different service. We'll talk later about how that works. But just to give a brief, if you opt in for the automated SEO service, it will go to the search engines and look at what people are seeing about the product, get all the latest keywords, and automatically create the SEO and keep updating it every week. So you will always be on top of all the search results. If you are not opting for that and you want to manage it on your own, then you can edit it from here and there are all the options available. The URL is extremely important. So when you go to your website and click on a product, this is the URL that's visible to the customer. Similarly, when the customer is searching on Google, this is the URL that is visible. Search engines use this URL as well. If they find any keyword, then they give it priority. So, having the right URL is extremely important. We suggest that in URL you should use your product's name with all of the variants or core features, whatever that is available. Again, like we talked about in homepage SEO, these are the keywords for the products that are generally searched by people. You can find the keywords through multiple ways. One is there are third party SEO service optimization like Neil Patel. You can go there and find all the keywords that are relevant for this product, or you can go to Google Ads and figure it out. Also known as names. This in this we have put this as different because in our system we give this higher priority than keywords. So when the search engines are indexing these URLs, they will include the names. People can call the names in multiple ways. For example, they can call this product in various other names, such as 247 compression socks or 247 socks black. Or they can also put it as 247 compression socks black. So these are the alternative keywords that people might want to write and use it. The meta title and the description is the same as in homepage SEO. Then you can submit it. So once you have updated this information, you don't need to worry about how it will get synced. We keep pushing all this information to Google and we use product structured SEO, which we build automatically. And we put it on the pages and we keep optimizing all the information which should be according to e commerce and as per the guidelines of Google and Bing search engine. Thank you.